Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can recover your deleted photos in Galaxy M05. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your Galaxy photos. Here it is albums. Scroll down and you will see here are all the pictures, and just click on not now and settings. Here it is. You will see all the settings over here. Just click on recycle bin. You have to recover your photos within 30 days. After 30 days it will be permanently deleted. Just long press it and you have to click on restore, and the image is restored successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.